Okay, hey, I'm back, guys. Guess what? I'm doing some more filming. I'm out here over by Cape San Glass. Yeah, I just figured I would film a little bit more while I'm here, and after that I got other places I gotta go. Gosh, these roads are bumpy. Look at that. That house was completely washed away. But yeah, I just figure I would give you guys some more footage here. Yeah, spent a couple hours on the beach enjoying myself. I've been working for a while and need some time off. I've just been overwhelmed and stressed out about a lot of things. Yeah, I got another problem going on. The back brakes in my truck have to be fixed. I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to be able to afford that. I may have to take it to a shop. I don't want to, but I may have to. I've never done back brakes before. That's really bothering me. Hey, look at here, guys. We got a green light. Everybody's on the move. Okay, we're going down some bumpy roads here. Gotta fix that. That camera's over full, so I gotta use this one. Remember now, if you guys come down here to Cape San Glass, take your time. The roads are very bumpy. You have to go very slow because of the construction. Don't be in a hurry. This place was badly damaged. You can see that's part of the road down there. Look at that big old machine. Imagine if that was your daily driver. Uh-oh, debris in the road. A piece of the wood. Here's the only way they're going to be able to fix this road correctly. They're going to have to bring in tons and tons of sand, about 15-20 feet high, and they're going to have to fill in with gravel, plus build a seawall. That and some culverts underneath so the water can get through, but realistically this road is very vulnerable. That's the Gulf of Mexico over there. That's the bay over there on the left. Yeah, Gulf on the right side, bay on the left side. But yeah, I'm just taking my time. I'm in absolutely no rush. We got a big problem these days. People are in such a hurry, and I'm tired of it. Because here's the problem: you're in a hurry, you mess up, things can happen on the road, so it's just best to take your time. I'm tired of the fast-paced life. I'm ready to relax. Oh, look at them porta potties. Funny-looking things. Those porta potties are probably meant for a fat guy to sit in and go, oh, this porta potty's ugly looking. Okay, it's shutting off. Look at those little machines. I shouldn't say little. Look at those clouds up there, guys. These roads are very bumpy. Make sure if you drive down these roads, make sure your corset isn't too tight, because if the corset's too tight, you'll probably break a rib. It's just a joke, I'm only kidding. Did you guys see that? The light changed up ahead, and I guess apparently I'm not going fast enough for what they call the fast pace of life. I take my time, I don't rush. Dang it, my neck is hurting. Look at that. Okay, guys, I gotta catch you later. I'll be uploading more videos here soon. Good night.